Hey guys, Itshlengy I'm back again with another beautiful video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this quick tutorial how to do a silk cowl neck top, which I saw on Pinterest. It's really cute and I love it. It's suitable for my body type, I guess. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Itshlengy and I'm into fashion videos. So let's get to the video. So I bought this beautiful material which I recently made a dress. Please check that out. So now I'm just going to be cutting out the straps that I'm going to use on my top. So this is how they look like after I've sewed them, which I'm not going to show you that part. And then now I'm creating the top. So yeah, fold your material in half, make a triangle shape, because yeah, and then make sure to measure how long your top is gonna be. So now I'm just going to fold it again in half, and then I'm just going to cut out one side of it. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but please follow through the video. Some of my footage have been lost due to my phone, please. So I've just cut out sides, and this is how it should look like. I've just sewed all the way. Now I'm going to, you know, to inside out. Okay, now my top is nearly ready, so I'm going to be putting sewing the straps together. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that like button. So this is how the top looks like. I just got rid of the V shape because I didn't like it. Yeah, so this is how the top looks like. Make sure to leave a heart if you're into these videos, and make sure to share with others if they're into fashion. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.